Inhloso yale 14 Annual Number 43 Legacy Race kubuyisa tinkhumbulo talokhu lebekwenteka kamanzini kude kube neNingizimu Afrika lekhululekile. Indvuna yetemadolobha nekutfutfukiswa kwawo Apollo Maphalala akhuluma nakatfula ngalokusemtsetfweni le race uvetile kutsi ihulumende utimisele kakhulu kusekela imisebenti lefana nalena njengoba isita sive kanye nelive kulokunyenti.
I must celebrate with the organizers and visionaries of this event that they decided to choose marathon, or they decided to choose athletics, or marking the essence of what Gwamagogo initiative stands for.
Founder wakwamagogo Legacy Race Elias Masilela yena uvetile ngebumcoka bale race.
Extremely important to celebrate and recognize this history this year. As umndeni waMasilela and idolobha lakaManzini was celebrating 60 years of the existence of number 43 this year.
Lomelele Golden Foot Club JJ Worrell uvetile kutsi kuyabajabulisa kutsi lo msebenzi wale Legacy Race uya ngekundlondlobala kanti ke inhloso yabo ukuthi ugcineke ukhangene tingijimi tangaphandle kwakuleli.
First of all, the Masilelas. Those of you who do know them will understand that these are people who are very much family in their nature. And once they have you there, they want to have you like family. And Golden Foot has then become part of the Masilela family as well, by extension. And that is why then number 43 means so much to us, because when the family is as welcoming, then you understand why something is important to them. So for us as Golden Foot, we take pride in this race because we understand how important it is and exactly what we'd like to do with this race.
Meya welidolobha lakaManzini Goodwill Dlamini yena uvete injabulo labanayo balidolobha lakaManzini ukuthi batimbandzakanye nalo msebenzi lomuhle nakangaka.
We are truly honored to host you in the vibrant city of Manzini that has become the heart of Eswatini. As a municipality, we remain humbled to once again partner with the Magogo Number 43 Foundation in hosting the 14th edition of this iconic legacy run.
Lonyaka ke lokwamagogo uhlanganisa iminyaka lengemashumilasithupha 60 years kanti ke lo msebenzi waloku gijima utobeke umhla ka9 August kulomnyaka. Nginohlahla Twilight entsabeni channel yeMaswati kaManzini.